Welcome to Finpod, your daily financial digest. I am Evan, and we are here to break down today's market action. Finpod is brought to you by Fintwit.ai, your go-to platform for real-time trading signals from X and top-tier stock recommendations. Let's get right into it. It is all about the semiconductor sector today. Intel is the main story, surging over 23% after reporting a blowout first-quarter earnings beat and providing guidance that crushed analyst expectations. Their focus on server CPUs and data center demand is paying off in a huge way. That strength is spilling over into AMD, which is up nearly 14%, fueled by analyst upgrades and the broader industry sentiment that x86 chips remain critical for AI orchestration. NVDA is also riding this wave, up over 4%, hitting fresh record highs as investors bet that the compute shortage is only getting worse. Finally, Applied Optoelectronics is up about 18%, continuing its momentum as a major hardware player in the AI data center space, backed by a massive new order for high-speed optical transceivers. Taking a step back, the broader market had a mixed day. The S&P 500 managed to close higher by about 0.8%, reclaiming some lost ground, while the Nasdaq led the way with a 1.6% rally, driven primarily by that massive surge in semiconductor stocks. The Dow, however, lagged, closing down slightly. The core narrative here is the tug-of-war between tech optimism and geopolitical anxiety. Investors are closely watching the 3-week extension of the ceasefire between Israel and Lebanon, which provided some relief, though concerns over the U.S.-Iran standoff keep oil prices and market sentiment somewhat volatile. In the AI economy, it has been a day of massive capital commitments. Tesla, Meta, and Google all made headlines with significant AI-related moves. Tesla announced a massive $25 billion capex plan for 2026 to fund its robotics and AI infrastructure. Meanwhile, Google Cloud confirmed a major partnership with Apple, announcing that Gemini will power upcoming intelligence features for Siri. Also, we saw Google announce a staggering $40 billion investment in AI startup Anthropic, further intensifying the compute race. Looking at other stocks in focus, HCA Healthcare reported earnings today, and the stock took a hit, falling nearly 9%. While they posted solid revenue growth, the market was disappointed by a miss on both earnings and revenue estimates, coupled with challenges from a mild respiratory season. On the flip side, Procter & Gamble ticked up slightly, beating revenue estimates and maintaining their full-year guidance despite rising cost headwinds. That is a wrap for today's Market Pulse. We covered the semiconductor rally, the mixed index performance, the massive AI spending spree from big tech, and the reaction to major earnings reports. If you enjoyed this episode, please like, share, and subscribe, and drop a comment below if there is a specific stock or sector you want me to cover next time. For stock recommendations, visit Fintwit.ai. Thanks for listening, and I will see you on the next episode of Finpod.